One of the properties of the water is that it is reflective. I found this to be true in many levels. In the water, you can really see who you are better than in a mirror. Not a lot of clothes, no excuses, no distractions. In the water, it is you against yourself. The type of swimmer you are is a reflection of who you are outside of the pool. Everything comes out in the pool. Discipline, mindset, resilience, compassion, generosity, and patience are all noticeable. It's not about how fast you are. It's about what kind of swimmer you are, what type of person you are. In the water, there is you and your reflection. Swim well.